Hello.
Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Okay, at first there are going to be some questions. What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Parker. I'm 11 years old.
Good. Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi.
Where exactly?
It's a left.
Okay. What extreme weather do you know?
I'm now a typhoon, hurricane, tropical storm, sandstorm, blizzards, ice storm,
Ice storm,
ice storm,
sandstorm, sandstorm,
sandstorm,
storm.
storm,
Okay.
drought,
Drought,
drought, flood, and
ice,
hailstorm.
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 Okay. What happens if a storm brings too much rain?
If a storm brings too much rain, it will be a, a typhoon, a flood.
Flood. What happens if a place gets little rain?
If a place gets little rain, it will be drought.
Okay. What types of storms happen when it's very cold?
When it's very cold, it can be a ice storm, hailstorm, and blizzard.
Ice storm
Ice storm
and hailstorm.
and hailstorm.
Okay. What types of storms have very high wind speed?
When storms have very high wind speed, it can be a hurricane, typhoon, tropical storm, and tornado.
Okay. Have you ever experienced extreme weather?
Yes, I
Experienced.
experienced Yagi typhoon.
Okay, good. Now you're going to begin to find the differences between two pictures. In my picture, there are two elephants.
But in my picture, there is one elephant.
Good. In my picture, there are four monkeys in the tree.
But in my picture, there is three monkeys.
There are three monkeys.
There are three monkeys in the tree.
In my picture, the baby is crying.
But in my picture, the baby is sleeping.
In my picture, there is the pink bag on the ground.
But in my picture, is a rat.
There is
black.
It's not pink.
It's blue.
Yeah, say in my picture there
in
is.
In my picture is a pink.
A blue.
Is blue pepper.
On the ground.
On the ground.
Okay. In my picture there are two girls eating ice cream.
But in my picture there are two girls eating ice creams.
No.
It's sandwich.
Eating sandwiches.
Eating sandwich.
In my picture there is the dog behind the trash bin.
But in my picture the dog is in front of the bin.
Okay. In my picture there is the woman who is wearing a green t-shirt and taking photos.
But in my picture the old girl is see the back.
Wearing a green t-shirt.
The man is take a photo.
Okay, go next. Now we're gonna exchange information. Okay, this one is yours. You're gonna ask me some questions, and then I'm gonna answer, and then we're gonna switch. Okay, let's go.
Who gave a Sarah book?
Her cousin.
What's name? What's the book called?
It's called The Star.
What is about?
It's about a singer.
When Sarah finished it.
When did Sarah finish?
When did Sarah finish?
She finished it last week.
The book was interesting or boring?
Interesting. Was interesting. Who gave Harry the book?
My friend. His friend.
His friend. What is the name of the book?
It's a silver book.
Silver?
Silver book.
Okay. What is it about?
It's about a footballer.
Okay. When did he finish it?
It's in yesterday.
He finished it?
He finished it yesterday.
Is it interesting or boring?
Boring.
Okay. Good. Now, We have a topic for you to talk about. Could you please talk about a copycat animal that you're interested in?
My favorite copycat animal is chameleon.
Chameleon.
Because it's interesting. The chameleon looks like a lizard.
Because it is a lizard. The chameleon is a lizard.
The chameleon is a lizard.
And
can camouflage.
the chameleon can have.
Can have camouflage.
Okay. Which one?
Have you can 300.
Wait. Camouflage. What camouflage does he have?
The chameleon can change camouflage.
Can change what?
Change color.
Colors.
Is all the red, brown, blue, pink, white.
Okay. Any color. What else?
The
Chameleons
chameleon can
can look
360
degrees. Yes. And see everything around. What else?
The chameleon has a tail. This can be 30 for 40 to body.
Okay. What else?
When the tail separates, the chameleon can
Again, please. When the tail what?
When the tail separates.
I don't know. Say something else. Where does the chameleon live?
The chameleon lives in the zoo.
No, not the zoo.
The tree.
In the trees. Okay. Anything else?
The chameleon camouflage to hunt.
To hunt what?
Hunt insect and hide a predator.
Okay, good. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.